Laylan. Hi, Anna and Dorothy. It's a video, babe. It's a video. Yeah. Hi, Anna. Laylan. Hi. Oh, my little Anna. I'm a little alien. Your mommy's an alien. You don't like her? Is it scary? Give it to Lala.
Alright, everybody in the pool. Some talented people down there. I mean, still got talented like that.
Bumpy, right? Where are we, guys?
At the farm!
We made it! Come and see the goats. Yeah, baby?
Hey, go!
Don't scare them, honey.
Hey!
Oh yeah. Don't do that. All right, ready, guys? Come on, let's go see the other animals. I'll take chickens in here. Go ahead. What do you guys think you're gonna find in here? I don't see anything. Do you see anything? There's nothing in here. Let's try next door. Go ahead. Next door. It's not a horse. Are you gonna feed the goat?
Which coat?
Go over there. Oh, those are sheep. Yeah. Come here. Let's feed them. Go ahead, put some in your hand. Oh my goodness. Over here, Laylan.
No, Lilo, there's a sheep over here.
There's sheep right there too, honey. Put it there on the floor. It's okay. Aww. Hi. So beautiful, right, guys?
Yeah.
Did you guys hear that?
Wait.
One by one. They're hungry, huh?
One more?
Laylan, come and feed them, babe.
One more.
Which one are you gonna feed?
Please bit me.
Let me see. Let's see if they'll take from mommy's hand. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, it's so cute. Here, there's some left for you. You don't want any? Oh, here you go. Hi. Right here. Look at it right here, babe. Leilin, that's not nice. You're throwing rocks, honey, and that hurts. Don't do that. What do you guys see there?
Calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. And if we should die tonight, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time. Calling out, Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees, and I see fire.
I'm not gonna eat that.
Hollow souls, I see fire burning the breeze. I hope that you remember me. Surely I'll do the same. Confined in mountain holes, we got too close to the flame. Calling out, Father, oh, hold fast and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the